Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today we're having, it's the new Happy Meal toy release from McDonald's. And so we went to McDonald's and we got the new Happy Meal. It's the Pokemon Happy Meal. So let's go and we're just gonna check it out. All right, there you see the Pokemon box. Pokemon Happy Meal box with my small drink. Side says catch some puzzle fun. Once again, the back side of the Happy Meal boxes, just that red smiley face. I don't get that. And here on the back, maybe we'll add this later. Pop out each ear and place in the slot with a matching color to add to Pikachu's face. So those are the ears for Pikachu. That's on the front of the box. Pikachu. All right, well, let's see what we've got here in our Happy Meal. We have the apple slices. The little fries. Hamburger. The napkin there. What else is in here? And there's the the toy. It's not an actual toy. It appears to be a fiber-based toy made from certified sources that you can recycle. So it is a paper toy. I guess I'd like maybe Pokemon cards, maybe. That's it. So let's see what this is. Yeah, there's several things in here. There's a token here, it looks like, with a Pokeball, Pikachu on it. There are some stickers. And yes, it's the Pokemon trading game. Might as well see what the Pokemon cards are that we have here. I never collected Pokemon. That was kind of after my time. All right. Coco. It's kind of like a baby dinosaur. Corellia. Tandemus. And Blissey. So there we have it. Got those 4 Pokemon cards. So I guess it's very special limited trading game from McDonald's. Pokemon. I thought they were going to, when they said it was going to be the Pokemon, I thought they were actually going to have like Pokemon figures. That would have been really cool. But instead it's Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards. So I did want to show the ears, how you can get the ears out. You do have to press kind of hard. Be careful. But you got to press hard enough to actually get it started. And then once you press and it pops inside, it's really easy to do it. The best way to do it, actually, I had opened the box up. And, from one side, had my hand on the one part of my hand was on the inside of the box, part of it was on the outside, and that was how I got the ears out without tearing them. So let's put those on the box and see what they look like. Now they are color-coded. Red goes here, matches with the red dot, and purple goes there, matches with the purple dot. And there we have it! The Pokemon Happy Meal from McDonald's. Pikachu! It's not characters, it's an actual Pokemon trading game for kids and I guess adults too. Enjoy. Pikachu! Pikachu! Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap. Pikachu! Pikachu! Pikachu!